Hi, I'm Shabdali, and after so many days, I finally took a break with myself. Not rushing between the hospital duties, not creating content, not editing, just me slowing down for a while. And guess what? I was sitting in an auto after so many days. Then came the metro ride, and with it, a flood of memories. Sometimes I get lost in them, but maybe that's what growth feels like. Deep inside, I call myself an independent woman, but when it comes to public transport, bro, I'm honestly a little lost, and maybe that's okay too. As it was Ram Navami and the city felt alive, the devotion, the colors, the energy, it just hits differently. The decoration was beautiful, the energy felt peaceful. So I visited this Dagdushir Ganpati temple, took a moment, closed my eyes, and just took blessing from Bappa. Now it was shopping time. With me, honestly, a disaster. I tried wearing a sari and literally couldn't figure out where the pallu was. At one point, I was covering myself with the blouse piece instead. The shop probably saw the most confused sari trial ever. I just tried to wear a sari and then I was like, no, I can't do this. I just kept and ran out of there. But after creating a complete mess of saris around the shop, we finally managed to choose one small victory, right? Then we came to blouse section for shopping some blouse, and then came this sandal section. Block heels, normal heels, flats, and suddenly there were 10 boxes open in front of us. Another mess. But after a lot of confusion, we finally choose a pair. Adult decisions are hard, even when it's just a sandal. At some point, I just gave up. I folded my legs, sat in the shop comfortably, and started clicking pictures. And honestly, I didn't care what anyone thought about me because sometimes best feeling is simply being yourself. And then came the best part of the day, that was the puri. As a medical person, I try to avoid outside food most of the time, but after so many months, this tasted like pure happiness. The city was glowing with Ram Navami celebration and festivities outside. I felt like the day had become a little mini adventure. Walking down the street, we also came to a beats of dole which were louder than the DJs, stronger than ever around. It was not just a sound, it was a feeling. After enjoying the beats of dole and taking the whole day and memories with me, it was the saddest part that I have to take off and go to my home back. Completed our shopping, and as we were going to purchase our tickets back to our home, we finally realized that we had low battery, no cash, no internet, and we came for shopping like this. Seriously, how unprepared can we be? Realize that आपल्या फोनची चार्जिंग पण डाऊन झाली आहे आणि हिचं नेट पण संपत आलंय आणि आमच्याकडे कॅश पण नाहीये. शॉपिंग और शादी करने चले. While waiting for the metro, I just stood there thinking about how far I have come, about the face that shaped me, about the strength I didn't know I had. Yes, I get a little lost sometimes, take wrong turns, even sit in the wrong train. But I always find out my way back, and maybe that's what adulting really is. A little messy, a little confusing, but incredibly beautiful. Considering the bad public transport, I somehow managed to get off the metro and reach the right destination. Life is strange. You lose something, but you gain so much knowledge, strength, and memories. Maybe this is what growing feels up like. Made mistakes, learned something, and taking all it, I ended my day.